They have morning market here one times a week on Sunday. Local people outside, they have no money. They just trader or chain.
This was a little village of about 45 families that was on the Mekong River in Laos. They are an animist, they're not Buddhist. However, a lot of Buddhists will practice a lot of the rituals, and they have a lot of the same beliefs. And some of the main beliefs are the spirits. They believe everything has a spirit. And you know, the trees, the rocks, the rivers, even thought and speech. You know, that's so what they kind of believe in. A lot like American Indians. Part of their belief also is that they have like 32 spirit parts, or 32 Quan, and these forces kind of control different parts of your body. And if one of these spirits leaves, then you kind of have an unbalance or a dis-ease, and you got to get that back into shape. And then they can wrap it up with another ceremony that basically binds the spirits back to your body. But this was a very interesting village. I enjoyed it, and I also had a very hard time there also. I had bought several pairs of shoes. I don't know, about 20 pairs of shoes for the kids here. The guide told me it was going to be a small village like the first one. It was small, but it had 3 times as many kids.
They have to boil before drink. This water not so clean, but before they drink the Mekong River. But now they collect this water from Lao people. This guy, he's headman. Then they make the dam up there, collect water to here. So this is a boat tip for
Yeah, most of these villages have what they call spirit houses, and actually I've even seen them in Luang Prabang, right in the city. Seen several of them. That's where the spirits live, and I have some video. We're going to show it just in a little bit, and our guide there is going to tell us a little bit about it. But now this little girl right here, yeah, we can thank that we have microwaves and things because.
yeah.
Well, you can listen to the guy.
They dry and then they put in here. Yes. They have no milk factory. They just use hand.
I bet you she could probably out arm wrestle any kid here in the West. That's, you know, you'll see here in a little bit also what I mean. I'm being called, Kelly.
This is a special nature. When people get sick, no. This is nature how. On the special day, they kill dog, chicken, pig. They cook for spirit eat first or nature eat. Maybe someone in this family get sick, stomach ache. They come shaman, they kill dog, boy eat. They talk with nature. Sometimes healthy, sometimes not.
Now I had a problem in this town. You know, I mean, even with in the village, I should say, even with my little background in anthropology, I had a lot of second thoughts about it. It was like, are we actually really invited here? I mean, what did the people think that we go walking around and looking at them like they're, I don't know, in a zoo? Just really felt, I don't know what to feel about it. It kind of felt bad. And this poor gal, she's still pounding that rice. It's her grandma sitting over there, and yeah, she's going to be hungry when it comes lunchtime. That's for sure. But But yeah, some of the people were like really happy and smiling, and some of them just like would stare at you like, "What are you doing here?" But I mean, they do get lots of goodies, lots of things people bring them, and you know, I'm just wondering if the government subsidizes somehow. That's how they get their concrete bottom part of the house is unlike this one. This one's traditional. The government comes in and helps them with that. Now this was one of the little girls, and little boys that I gave them Crocs too, the knockoff Crocs. They should last forever, and she still haunts me to this day. And so does this beautiful woman here with her child. She was so nice. She'd always would stop and smile for you and pose. Still, you just got to think. I mean, are we really that welcomed? And it seemed really, really weird for me. I mean, this gal here, like if looks could kill, oh my gosh. But yeah. Now, if you see in the background there, the teenagers are working. They're thrashing that wheat. I mean that rice, and wow, it's pretty crazy. But anyways, that's it. And if you guys are still here, thank you. You're my special people. And you all have a great day, and thank you.